You can make money from your first 1,000 views online. Yes, 1,000, not 100K, not millions, just 1,000. And here is the wide part. Most creators never reach this point because they focus on the wrong metrics. But if you follow what I am about to show you, you can turn a tiny audience into real cash starting today. It's simpler than you think. More complex funnel, no massive email list. Even if you are brand new, this works. Most people believe views equals to money. That is the mistake. In this video, I'll show you the exact method to monetize every single view, and it works immediately. Let's be honest, you have posted content, you have gotten a few views, and then silence. You feel stuck. You see other small creators making money, and you ask yourself, why not me? Here's the real issue. Most creators treat views like a trophy. They celebrate numbers but ignore the strategy. That actually turns those views into income. And if you don't fix this, you will leave money on the table every single day. I have used the exact approach to help new creators to go from zero to their first $2,000 online without a big audience. It works because it's simple, repeatable, and focus on what actually converts this income. I'll walk you through it step by step so you stop wasting time posting randomly and any kind of content. I'm going to show you the process, how I do it. I'm going to take you through all the steps, step 1 to step 1, step 2 to step 3. The foundation: pick the right offer. The first mistake most people make is trying to monetize everything. You can't. You can't. Not every view converts. Think of it like finishing. You don't cast your net in every point. You go where the fish are. Choose a micro offer that easy to buy. Example: a S5 digital guide, a small faceless service, a low cost of template. Here is the technical part you offer: most slow and specific problems. Not make money online, not be happy. Something small, immediate, and practical. One that is placed every single view has a chance to turn into revenue for you. Step 2: the process drive traffic that converts. Step 2 is simple, but most people get it wrong. You need intent drive traffic, people who actually care about your offer. Here is how: targeted platforms. Find your way audience already spend time. YouTube short. You can post YouTube short. TikTok. You can also post YouTube short on TikTok. You can also do it on Instagram. Content with a hook. Every post should lead towards your offer. Think direct call to action. Tell viewers exactly where to click. Be clear, be direct. For example, you post a 30-second video about how to save $50,000 fast, and at the end you say grab the free checklist to save 50,000 today. Now every click becomes a lead. Every lead becomes potential income. But here is the catch: if you do step 2 without step 3, you will lose momentum. People may click but they won't buy. Here's why. Step 3: this advanced hack. Convert views into sales automatically. Step 3 is the secret most creators keep. It's called pre-selling. Pre-selling means warming up your audience before the eyes see the offer. You deliver extreme value first and build trust instantly. Think of it like a movie trailer. You don't sell ticket first. You make people want the movie. Practical example: create 3 free movies. Drop a mini guide at the end of each video. Use urgency social proof. Over 1,000 people already use this today. The steps is what turns 1,000 views into S1,000 instead of just a few clicks. Once you master step 3, the traffic from step 2 finally convert and your small channel start growing. Generally, you see real money. Remember, the secret piece is the hook. Most creators fail because they ignore the sky hook. Here it is. Every offer must link back to your next piece of content, not just the offer because part of the creator's ecosystem. Why this matters? It multiplies income. One view lead to another. One micro sale lead to several income. I help a creator with just 800 views implement this stick loop. Post 3 videos targeting the same micro offer. Added pre-sale, and in each result 800 views to 1020 in 48 hours. Before this, like I was saying, before this, they had over 200 views and earned zero income. Final warning: ignoring this is why most creators quit. You can get views, like, and share, but without monetization strategy, it's wasted of effort. Bonus tip: tie every piece of content to a micro offer. Like I was saying, tie every piece to a micro offer. Don't wait for massive growth. Your first 1,000 views are your test ground. Next video to watch: how to scale 1,000 views into 10,000 and even S1,000 into revenue.